Aloha, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today I'm teaching you the lick of the day from April 12th. And I'd gotten behind on these guys, and I never put up the lick of the day, the tutorial side for it, so I'm doing that now. This lick actually came from a very popular song in the 1970s called Pakalolo from the Makaha sons of Ni'ihau. And that's what Iz and Skippy and all those guys that ended up becoming Moonjon and Jerome. They became legends here in Hawaii. The Makaha sons of Ni'ihau was one of the greatest bands ever. And this song was one of the ones that kind of naughty song, talks about smoking Pakalolo, which is marijuana. And it's one of those songs that I grew up playing. Tells you what kind of childhood I had. But the lick goes kind of like this. Okay, and so what that is I'm playing the 5th fret on the bottom string. I'm going, and I go to the 3rd, and then open. Okay, now I go to the 2nd string, and I go to the 4th fret, and I bend a quarter step. So it's kind of, it's like I'm bending not quite up into the next note, so it's like halfway to there, yeah? So we call that a quarter step bend. And then I play the bottom string. And I go from the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Then I do this little slide thing, where I slide in from the 1st fret into the 2nd fret on top string, and I have a low G here. So if you have a high G, it'll still work, it just won't sound the same. But you're going to slide in, 1st to 2nd, then you pick the 3rd string. So you do that twice, and then you play open top, and then F. So. Alright, so that's the lick of the day. So if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like button below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, please. I appreciate it, and I could always use more subscribers. And if you want to see more videos like this and go even more in depth on how to play these licks and different songs and whatnot, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. In fact, right now we have a 2-week free trial membership, so you can subscribe and get 2 weeks free. So yeah, man, check me out. Aloha.